And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, starting this week, some persons can expect to receive the $20,000 through the reverse income tax credit.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement on Tuesday in his farewell presentation to Parliament.
His resignation takes effect at midnight.
Just a few hours left on the job, but Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark is not easing up. He says he is running through the tape. His first announcement was linked to the reverse income tax credit. As at Monday, October 28, there were 260,976 successful applications.
And this week, Mr. Speaker, we're expecting 77,000 Jamaicans to be in receipt of an SMS or an email indicating that their reverse income tax credit will be at their financial institution or remittance agency.
Dr. Clark emphasized that only persons who get the text or email would be able to get the $20,000 this week.
The remaining amounts of the reverse income tax credit will be paid in November and December.
Next update.
The Independent Fiscal Commission comes into effect on January 1st, 2025. That was always a timetable. It's a timetable that doesn't change because the minister changes. The Fiscal Commission becomes the independent arbiter of Jamaica's fiscal rules, takes over from the Auditor General, and will be, what we have done is to institutionalize our experience of having domestic oversight.
In the meantime, Dr. Clark indicated that Jamaica is on track to lower its debt to GDP ratio to approximately 68% by March 2025. He had this advice to the incoming finance minister, who is yet to be publicly announced.
Don't be impressed by the many offers that you're going to get to lend you money. I have had that too. But what we have to work on for the next phase is to ensure that, having gotten our debt down, we want to change the composition of that debt from a majority US dollar debt to make it into more Jamaican dollar debt.